Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bale Friends, and this is Sandy's suggestion. I'm in the garden, and my biggest suggestion this week is grow what your family loves. There is no reason to grow cabbages a whole row of cabbages, and maybe your family will eat it once or twice a year. Grow the things they love. They love peas, carrots, onions, garlic, tomatoes. You should grow those. We love peas and tomatoes. We love all the brassicas. Joe loves green beans. I don't usually grow green beans because I can get them at the farmer's market. But I'm growing green beans because I grow what my family loves. That's just a suggestion. No use taking up that space, wasting that water, when your family's really not going to enjoy it. Maybe you're not going to enjoy it. So I hope you take this suggestion to heart this spring when you plant your garden and grow what your family loves. Have a good evening.